Hi friends, this video shows how to use USB debugging. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner. Go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system, we can see developer options. Select it. These are a list of developer options. And from here, let me enable USB debugging or ADB debugging. Enable it. Select OK. Done. After that, let me go to laptop. Here in this laptop, we need to install one tool. See, this is a tool. ADB. Platform Tools Latest Windows. So this zip file we can download from internet, then extract it, and here you can see adb.exe. Then from this path open command prompt, and here you can see command prompt. From here we can run command. Before that, we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. You can see I already connected this laptop to TV via USB cable. And here you can see USB. That means this laptop has detected this TV. Then from here we can run commands. And here you can see list of commands. There are many commands. See, around 40 commands you can find here. So we can use all these commands to debug or repair this TV. Okay. Let me check this one by one. Let me copy the first one. Using this command, we can list all apps installed in this device. Let me try this. Let me copy, paste here, enter. See, these are list of apps installed in this device. So let me list only Netflix app. Here you can see the package name of Netflix app. Next I am going to open Netflix app from here. Let me copy this command, run here. See, now you can see Netflix app that has been opened in the device. Then if you want, you can uninstall Netflix from the laptop. Then just run this command in terminal, so that way you can trigger that uninstall command from laptop, so it will uninstall Netflix app from the device. And you can go to home screen. If you run this command, we can install Netflix, we can do screen recording, then we can open Hotstar, we can back up all data from the TV to laptop, we can restore data from laptop to TV or this device. And here we can list all folders inside the TV or device. Let me run this. Now we can see all folders inside the device. Then we can upload file from laptop to TV. We can download file from TV to laptop. We can delete file from TV or device. See, we can turn on or off sleep mode, start screensaver. We can power off. Then we can move up, down, left, right. Basically, we can navigate using these commands. So I will show this one. Let me just take this one, move down. Okay, copy this, then repeatedly run this. See, you can see that it's going down. Okay, after that, if you want to go back to home screen, you can run this home command. See, so if you go down, you can find other commands like, see, we can change resolution of the device, we can reset resolution. There are many commands. See, all these commands we can execute and we can debug or repair the device. So that is the use of this USB debugging mode. Okay, you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.